Hi guys, I'm Dominique Richey. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be making a pesky meal, one of those pescatarian meals with snapper, cabbage, peas and rice, and plantain. It's so good. And you know it's one of those Sunday meals. So on Sunday, you know you gotta make them with extra love. You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned to the end of the video and you can see the recipe. I'm gonna be talking about my journey as a YouTuber. So I started off doing these YouTube videos. Originally, I started recording for my students and I was so nervous to be recording. I remember being with my mentor. I went to her office the first time I recorded a video, and it took us about 6 or 7 takes. It was just a little introductory video I was doing for my students who wanted to sign up for the program and were interested in learning about health information and coding. If you guys want to learn more about that, it's the link below. You can go there and find out more about my courses. Wait a minute. That's good. It's hard to record and cook at the same time and eat what you cook, but this is good. That's good. It was my first time cooking plantain. Y'all let me know how I did. Ooh, look at it. Look at the color on it. It look good. Ooh, I added just a little bit of brown sugar on it because you know how sometimes plantains aren't as sweet as others. So I wasn't sure if it was gonna be real sweet. But, ooh, this right here, this was made with love. You know you gotta make food with love. That is the best ingredient. When you make food with love, you really can't go wrong with it. Lord, have mercy. Before I started doing YouTube videos, people would be asking me, hey, are you gonna do a YouTube video? You should start doing YouTube videos. And I was like, no, I don't think so. Like, I don't think I'm gonna, this was years ago. And I was like, no, I don't think I'm gonna be doing YouTube videos. And then fast forward to a few years later, everybody that I was meeting and coming across was doing YouTube videos. Like, you do YouTube. Oh, you do YouTube too? You do YouTube? Wow, you do YouTube too. And they were very successful at it. And I would watch them do their YouTube videos. And so I got to learn. They have been doing most of the people who I know that do YouTube channels or had YouTube channels, they have been doing it for a while. So they were, you know, real quick with it. Bless y'all hearts. We love y'all. Y'all can just get on here and record a video in no time. Bless your hearts. Another reason why I got started with it, because I had learned from other people, and sometimes God speaks through other people or shows you through other people. And so I said, I guess I need to overcome my fears and I need to start doing these YouTube videos. So it was an obstacle for me. One, because I didn't even know how to hold up a camera. I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know how to film, none of that. I just started recording. And it end up the more that I do it, the more that I have become comfortable with it. And I would say that the main thing is doing it to add value to the people who are watching your channel. So for me, I have another video where I talk about why I got started doing health videos and fitness videos. So you can watch that as well. But that was another reason why I started doing YouTube videos. So sometimes you have an assignment. You have an assignment from God, and God will send you messages, and He will help you through the process. So I just want anybody who is watching and you always wanted to do a YouTube video, or you want to do something that requires you to overcome your fears, I would say that God will help you through it, because He knows those places that you are weak in, and He will help you in those places where you're weak. And then He will also send people in your life that you probably won't even know, that you just come across, that will help you along in your journey. So just start somewhere. As long as you start, God will help you finish. But for people like me, I have several assignments. So YouTube was one of them. I try to record once a week. I'm still learning. It's a lot to YouTube. They've changed some things now, but I'm learning as I go. And I enjoy it. And that's another thing, is have fun with it. Whatever you're doing, it should be adding value, and you should also be having fun with it and enjoy doing it along the process. I wanted to get this message out for anybody who is thinking about YouTube or starting your own YouTube channel. I would say do it. And it probably is a reason why you want to start the channel. And maybe God is telling you that you should. God speaks through people, so you have to pay attention to when God is speaking through people. So I had so many people asking me, am I going to do a YouTube channel? Am I going to do a YouTube channel? And then over time, I had come across people, so I'm watching them do their YouTube channels. And I'm like, okay, so maybe I need to go ahead and start my YouTube channel. I had thought about it, and then I, just let it brush off my shoulders. But then I realized that it actually is beneficial when I really thought about what I could talk about. And that was another thing, is trying to figure out what you're going to talk about. For me, I'm still learning. So I am talking about health. I'm talking about fitness. I'm talking about positive vibes. I'm talking about anything that I feel like I want to talk about and that will add value to you guys. So you guys can comment below of what you guys want to see more of. You could do that below. I would love to hear from y'all, because like I said, I'm still learning. So it's all a learning process, and I do enjoy it. So I would say, if it's something that you'll enjoy doing and you have a passion for it, go ahead and start your YouTube channel. All right, so we're getting into how we made the snapper. We got these filleted from the farmer's market, And we're just seasoning these with a dry rub that we blended together. We're going to lightly dust the fillets with red meal organic coconut flour. We are heating up our pan with sunflower oil and avocado oil on medium-high heat until it gets really hot. In another pan, we're going to add the sunflower oil and avocado oil so that we can start sauteing our cabbage. In a crock pot, we're going to add long grain, brown, and wild rice. It's already pre-cooked. We're just really warming it up. And we're going to add green pigeon peas to the rice mixture. Next, we add vegetable broth to the rice and peas. And now we're going to add some green peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and an onion mix that I blended up together. Saute it, add some seasoning to that hot oil. And now we're going to add our cabbage that we cut up to that pepper mixture and stir it all up. All right, so now our pan is heated up and we're gonna put those fillets in and make sure that they are brown on each side. Here is the finished product. Now we're going to fry our plantain. Until they're golden brown on each side. I took them out and then added a little brown sugar and then put them back in the pan. I did not show that part. Here's the finished product. This was just a video where I just wanted to share a message with you guys. Hopefully it helped you guys. And if you want to like and subscribe to the channel, you can do that. And until next time, bye.